This is a 2004 Dodge Cummins diesel dually. 1 ton, looks like a Laramie. So it's got leather seats, 195,000 kilometers on it. Just came in. Very unique. Hasn't been cleaned up yet, but you can see that it is in decent shape. So this doesn't come around very often. It's not in perfect shape, obviously, but it does have low kilometers considering its time. 195,000 kilometers. They have a reputation for going a million. And this is it, available right here at Scarborough Town Dodge. We have other trucks here too, but as far as used ones go, that is definitely something very unique. Call Bill Klassen at Scarborough Town Dodge.